Good morning.
Good morning.
Very good morning. Narayan, everyone. Lesser aspirants are there today. Participants.
Jai Narayan, sir.
Narayan, everyone. Very good morning. Yes.
A disturbance coming from.
What happened, man?
Something sound coming from.
It's fan. Okay. Now it has gone, I think so, right?
Yes, sir, God.
It's okay, clear now?
Yes,
Is
sir,
it
it's
clear
clear.
now? That is one Dakota fan. इसलिए उसके बेरिंग है शायद इसलिए आवाज कर रहा हूँ. Yeah. Warm morning to everyone. I hope everyone are fine and doing well. Well and fine, right? Already 7 minutes but I'm still student session. What we are doing that we are speaking about the political parties, right? So let us start today's session with few questions. Name the political party. Name the political party whose ideology it's against of the secessionism, and yeah, that's it, secessionism. I told you the meaning of the word secessionism.
Communist Party of India.
Okay.
The CPIM.
Right. Just Communist Party of India, Marxist.
CPIM.
In which year it is started?
1964.
1964. Correct answer. Name the party which started by the Kanchi Ram. Name the party which is started by the
Samaj
Kanchi
Party,
Ram.
BSP.
Samaj Party.
Very good. Congratulations. Another question. Name the political party which is started by a Britisher.
The CPIM.
National Congress.
Why is that CBA?
Sir, Indian
Okay.
National Co.
So INC is
Indian
a
National Congress.
National Congress.
INC.
In which year it is started?
1885.
1885.
18?
Under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru.
What?
Under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru.
Leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru not there that time. कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो? Right? Jawaharlal Nehru not there at that time. Getting my point?
Sir.
There was no Jawaharlal Nehru that time. And one more question. The political party which ruled in the Pachim Bengal.
Sir, All India Trinamool Congress.
All India Trinamool Congress. No,
The
you are wrong.
CPI.
Correct. Jyoti Basu was the chief minister. Almost 34 years he ruled the Pachim Bengal. How many years?
34.
34 years he ruled continuously. But we can say that still no development in the Bengal. Might have someone have come along with us to the tour. They have tasted the Kolkata city, how it is, right? The people. So it is 100 years back than our Hyderabad, like old city. We cannot say that much also, but it is somewhat it is old only, right? Now my question, these political parties are there, okay, right? Coming to you, if you are in the place of the present situation, Tallam Shashank, still people are joining, it's 10 to 11 minutes, okay, right? On your videos, man, on your videos. This Ragi. Shank. Still okay, right? Sleeping. Saket Kumar. Now he joined. Karan Jaiwant. AC 9386. AC 2039. This many people, Challa, Sai Shivamani, AC 1934. So if you kept your videos off, and I'm speaking with only few people, right? They kept their video off and they're sleeping. That is your wish, whether you sleep or dance. But the minimum responsibility as a student is that when you're wasting a time, if you're wasting today, the tomorrow also will be wasted. Today's thoughts makes your future. So keep in mind, learn something. Here I have given some criteria to you. Actually, I was asking a question, right? If you are in the place of INC, the present day INC is there, no, Indian National Congress Party, Rahul Gandhi. Mr. It means everyone. If you are in the place of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, what would you have done? What would you have done? It means to strengthen your political party. Actually, it is having a great history. Am I right? It is having or not? It is having a great history. So, what would you have done to make the political party more stronger? Encouraging people. Good. And
Sir, I would provide the skills to everyone.
what the skills to everyone? Okay. Already the other political party is doing. Make in India, Digital India, right? Skill India, many programs are there. What the new thing will bring it out.
Time, sir.
I did not get you.
Sir, stronging my political party by buying other parties more representative conduct. Stronging my political party by buying other parties MLAs or MPs. Sir.
This is against our democracy. Anti-defection law will be there, right? So they have to resign the party and then they have to join. 1 second, I'll be back. 1 second. Okay. Right. It's okay. It's okay. Shall carry on. What will we do? Prithvi Bhargav is saying that he'll purchase a political party MPs and then he'll strengthen his political party. There is anti-defection law. If person wants to, it means jumps from one political party. So that is what there no Jampujilani, Budu Putani. One song someone has written about that. About these people only. They're contesting with the party symbol of one political party, and they are what it is happening that they are jumping into another political party. For that only the anti-defection law is there. So when this anti-defection law will work? Can you remember? Anti-defection
Without
law.
resigning.
Videos. Huh? When anti-defection law is going to be worked?
So if you want to go to another party, first you need to resign. Sir.
Okay, for example, Mr. Ramodar Bangad is there. Why I'm taking his name? Because he's visible on the screen. Only Taruna and Ramodar Bangad, only two people are visible on the screen. Right? Where are the rest of the people? Yeah, are there? Sai Karan, Sai Pratik. This fellow Justice Depalli Jitendra Reddy, just he kept his photo and he went. He kept a still. Yeah, Saket. Today I have seen Saket after so long time. Darshan, he gave Darshan today. Harshit Reddy is there. Dwadashi Jitendra is there. Okay. Adivini Prasad is there. Surya Garum. Are you there, Surya? Surya Garum. Still alive, right? He's writing. With Rascal Rishikesh Rahul Reddy is there. Engineer, future engineer. Right? Kabaddi player also is there. Prasad Garu. Karan Garu is there. Adnan Sami. Gapagolla Rahul. Right? Jayvant Reddy. Govardhan Datta. Vishwa Teja. Dinne Ajay also is there. What a pleasant surprise today. Okay, right. Sarvesh are not visible. His video is off. Ayush Sharma's video is off. This AB4388, I don't know. Whose number ID is this? Konap something. And then 1934. Sham. I don't know. AC 1934.
Sambit.
Sambit Bajuban.
But he is not turning his videos.
No video. Many people AC in 7910, no video. AC 6488, no video. AC 9843, no video. AC Kathy, no video. AB 5760, no video. These people are not having
Sir,
any videos.
not have camera to phone, sir.
Right?
It broke.
Okay, fine. It's so funny. We don't have a camera to phone. It's okay. Not an issue. Are you getting my? Rahul Gandhi, what would you have done to strengthen your party?
Sir,
Can anyone answer that? Can anyone
Sir,
answer the question?
yes,
Prithvi already answered. Okay. When no one is answering, then you can.
sir,
Many people are there who are not answering.
removing my deputies publicly who does criminal works, so I get a good image for media.
See, on you only there are many scams are there. 2G scam, poll scam, on your political party only. First, you should resign. First, you should resign, Rahul Gandhi. Okay? And you don't have the knowledge of NCC also. You don't know the meaning of NCC also. Okay, right. No, I'm not criticizing. It is not criticizing. It is a fact. It is a fact, right? It is not criticizing. So even though politically I'm a citizen of India, I have a right to freedom of speech. I can speak. Article 19 gives the freedom to me, the Indian Constitution, to speak about that. Okay? Fine. It means why I'm discussing about one political party, maybe why I'm discussing about that. If we discuss the things, we do remember for the long time. We do remember for the long time. The problem. So why I'm discussing is that the problems with this political party, the problems which are facing the political parties, right? What problems are the political parties are facing? So here you can see the situation. First one, lack of internal democracy. There is no internal democracy within the political party, right? Is there any democracy? Do they conduct the elections very fairly? No. Is there TRS party is there? No. Does anyone dare to go against the KCR in the TRS party? Do they dare it? Do they dare? No, they never do it. Right? And one more important point. dynastic succession. After KCR, KTR will be. And after KTR, his son, what is his name? I don't know. Is just 10 kgs or something, right? Almost 200 kgs is weight. We should not comment personally, but actually, the thing is that, see, you see the other side, the people on the roadside, right? They're not having the food to eat, man. In this lockdown, most of the people, they don't have the food to eat. The other side, the KCR son, the KTR son is getting the, what we say is that big gifts, like Benz car or something, Benz car or Rolls Royce. I don't know. I think 3 crores car or something, 4 crores car, it was gifted. I'm not criticizing personally. What I'm telling that, so you are a king. It means you are a leader now. So leader should be the example. Then leader should go to the ground level. Leader was Vinoba Bhave. Leader was Gandhiji. Leader was Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Leader was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And even the leader was Jawaharlal Nehru also. He was a socialist reformer, even Jawaharlal Nehru also. He tried to bring many changes in the nation. But unfortunately, some decisions which were taken by the Jawaharlal Nehru, those went against of India, went against of the nation. Fine. So he's not courageous person, but he's a merciful person. So KCR is better than the KTR. Somehow in some cases. This is my personal opinion. Maybe I'm wrong. This because KCR is having the ground level knowledge. Ground level knowledge. Well, the present Jagan Mohan Reddy, if you take that, nearly 10 years, he toured extensively the Andhra Pradesh. Each and every village he went. Each and every village he went, he understood the problems, he mingled with the people, understood the problems of all those people who are living, like young, like youth, like women, like all the people. Then people started believing him. Earlier, the people they did not believe. Chandrababu Naidu is a great politician in Andhra Pradesh, right? So he is having a one nickname also, Chilamari Nakka. I'm not commenting the public pulse which is there, the public pulse. I'm telling the public pulse to you. Okay. So what is that public pulse? That whenever he is in the requirement of something, some people, what do they do? If there is a work with you, they'll be very friendly with you. If once the work is done, they'll kick you like anything, right? And they'll leave you like from there and they'll move on. So why I'm telling all these things? In the politics happens the same thing. In politics, no permanent friends and no permanent enemies. No permanent friends, right? Lifetime friends, lifetime achievement will be not there with anyone. But with the ideology, they may go with the ideology. Once your ideology is different, then they can disperse. The present day politicians, except a few people, most of them they are fighting for their surviveness, fighting to protect their whatever the properties are there. They're contesting in the elections. Are you getting? To get their dynastic succession properly. So they are making their base stronger. If you take TDP, so no another person can become the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh or Telangana from the TDP. Revanth Reddy is a powerful person, but the language which he uses, it is not correct, right? So Revanth Reddy is one of the famous person. Earlier he was in the TDP.
No, Congress.
Now he is in the Congress. Even the Congress also cannot form the government, right? So strong leadership is required. Strong leadership is required. What I mean to say that, why we are discussing about the politics, these are affecting our life directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. For example, you are sitting at home. The reason is politics. You are getting online classes. The reason is politics. If government says that no online classes, students just go, they can enjoy, right? What happens? One day they do enjoy, 1 week, 1 month they do, and after that, what happens? They don't have the they will be not having the knowledge of anything. What is happening as surrounding to them? Even they don't have the knowledge of proper games and etc. also, right? So present day education system has become what we say is that it's selling in the market, man, like vegetables, like some of the other things. Some people are not against of this, all these things, but somehow the education is going far away from the poor person. Now you see, you are very fortunate that simple thing, the government, what the government can do it now. I'm telling to you how the government is getting failed in the education. See, through the education, they'll not get any benefit. Who? Sudden benefit they will not get. If they are constructing any project, commissions will come. They'll get the commissions. Any political party. Maybe it is a TRS, maybe it is a TDP, maybe it is a YSRCP, etc. What do they get? There is a chance to get the commissions. Maybe Mission Bhagirath, Mission Kakatiya. Okay, whatever the policy you take that. Okay, it is a good idea, is good. Implementation should be taken a proper way. But the commissions to do the work, very simple, man. Tarun's mother asked him to go to shop. Tarun will ask, "Nakem istama." Are no chocolate is kapora. In chocolate, I don't like it. So it means what I mean to say that here the people to do their duty, they are asking the bribes. There is a problem. There is a problem. It is not a small problem, my dear. The India is facing the biggest problem. This is what the biggest problem. Got it? Are you getting? So why I am telling that? To make their base stronger, this dynastic succession is taking place. So everywhere there is a bribe, everywhere there is a corruption. Right? Without the bribes, all the departments you take, the education is not going to take place properly. So here, why I'm telling all these things to you? Because the reason is that the present day the online education, the government school children, they are unable to get it. Government school children, especially the government school children. Then what happens that you private school people? Okay. So what happens? What happens you private school people? You will be more knowledgeable than those people. Their 1 year will be wasted. And you are moving ahead. So your future may be brighter. And their future maybe may not be. We cannot decide it. They are not getting the quality education. So we require the future IAS officers to do some work for the nation. Okay. Not for the superiority, you have to become the IAS officer. You have to become an IAS officer to serve the nation. Right now, coming to the point here, money and muscle power. If you are having money, then you are the boss today. Right? If you have money, then only you will be attending the classes. If you don't have money, you will be not attending the classes. You have to pay the fee at any cost, right? So there are few students are there who did not pay the fee, even they have attended the sessions. So I'm extremely sorry that without paying the fee, see what is happening, we are not getting the salaries. Okay, actually we should get the salaries. Even the 50% salaries also we are not getting. It's a shame, man. Shame on us. Right? We are not blaming you or not management. What we say is that this is our karma. We feel it and let it be. It's better to not to talk about this. Salaries. Okay. And one more important point coming here, muscle power. What is muscle power? Muscle power means not this muscle power. Muscle power means the gundagiri, rowdyism, the back support of that. For example, if you see any political leader is coming to your area, nearly 50 to 60 people will be behind him, right? Some bodyguards will be there, the thing, and some people his followers simply they eat biryani, they take some benefit they get from the people, right? Personally, they get some benefit and they will be support us. Muscle power, rowdyism, gundagiri, all these things will be there. So this is what dominating. And lack of meaningful choices. Lack of meaningful choices. What is the meaning of the lack of meaningful choices? For example, earlier Revanth Reddy was there in TDP. Now he has joined in the Congress. Tomorrow there is a chance to join in TRS also. There is a chance to join in the TRS also. We can't ignore, we can't deny it. How can we say the person early in the morning, whenever he woke up, he used to scold the Congress party. Now he is in the Congress party. Now he is scolding, criticizing TRS. Maybe in future he may be in the TRS. We can't say. So lack of meaningful choices. I'm not just giving the example. I'm not against of him. I'm just telling the see, in democracy, person is not important. In democracy, person is not important. In democracy, constitution is important. You need to go according to the constitution, right? Practically, it may be very difficult. Practically, it may be very difficult, but you will be safer side if you are with the democracy, if you are with the constitution. If you are going against of the constitution, then there is a problem.
Sir, there is no
Understood?
sir, that person compulsory should be in that party only for this many years.
Not like that. He can change his political party. Even he can start his political party also. It is not like that. You can change your political party. When you can change, if you don't like the ideology of the political party. So normally why people will change, political party? Why do they jump from one political to another political party? For example, Ramodar Bangad and Prithvi Bhargava both are enemies. His ex-party is Y party. Okay, his ex-party is Y party. Ramodar Bangad is ex-party, is a Y party. This is a competition. This is Prithvi Bhargava's group and this is Ramodar Bangad's group. Got it clearly. Now Ramodar Bangad he won in the election. Now Tarun is with Prithvi Bhargava. Right? Tarun is with Prithvi Bhargava. Now what Ramodar Bangad is doing that, first, what he will do that he may show some like what we say is that he may give some money or try to attract the person. If he is not listening, for example, Tarun is having some schools, private schools, or institutions, or some factories, or somewhere there is a property. Then he'll send an IAS officer or someone, right? Political, it means administratively, executively. What he will do that he will try to bring the pressure on him. Who on the Tarun? Then Tarun starts thinking that, why I'm getting the problem from the government? It's better to change the political party. Now what he will do that Tarun will change the political party. Now he will become the friend of Ramodar Bangad. Where is Bhargava? Where the friendship? Okay, it will be not there. Are you getting my point? So these things will be not there now. Now Tarun has become the friend of the Ramodar Bangad. Similarly, in whatever the political parties are there, almost all political parties they are not giving the choice, proper choice to the people.
I can take the agreement. It should be this many years in my party. Like
You can do it that one, but it is against of the constitution. There is not written there anywhere in the constitution. It is not written in any. It is not written in our constitution. Okay,
sir.
It is not. It is not there in that there should be agreement that this many years you should. So if you want to do that, you need to do the constitutional amendment to change the constitution. Article number 368 of the Indian Constitution. Article 368 of the Indian Constitution. You need to change the constitution. So if you want to change the constitution, constitutional amendment bill. Okay. So there is a special majority, not simple majority, special majority. Then see here, amendments will be taken place. Constitution will be amended. Constitution will be amended. Are you getting or not? Constitution will be amended, but there is a procedure to amend the constitution. There is a procedure. It is not like a notebook that we have taken the page and we have erased and we have written again. It is not like that. So there is a process. What is the process to amend the constitution? The special majority is required. So what is the special majority is required? For example, 545 members are there, elected members 543, right? So out of that 543, all the people should be present. All the people should be present in the parliament, in the Lok Sabha, right? Bill should be presented in the Lok Sabha. After presenting in the Lok Sabha, what do? That they conduct the elections, they conduct the voting for that one. They conduct the voting for that one, and present and voting should be 2/3. Present and voting should be 2/3. They should get the 2/3 majority. 2/3 majority. How much majority they have to get? 2/3 majority they have to get. When they do get the 2/3 majority, right? So this is a big procedure, man. This is a big procedure. In 5 minutes we can't explain about that one. How the constitution. This is a class for the civil services, IAS class, right? So if you required for your knowledge, I'll tell you whenever we get the free time. We do discuss about that. It is not an issue. Okay. So this is what subject point. So when you are getting the 2/3 majority, then it goes to the Rajya Sabha, right? After that, there also they should get the bill should pass, and after that it goes to the president. President has to give the concern for that one within a 14 days of time, and then that after if he is not giving the concern, also the bill will be passed automatically, right? So again the presidential powers will be different. Pocket veto, these many things will be there. In a simple thing, if you want to change in the constitution, why the particular word has come now? He said that, sir, we can make an agreement that this many years this particular person should work with me, right? So it is not written in the constitution that one particular person must be stick with the one political party. So there is a choice. If 2/3 majority people, one political party, if they want to change the political party, they can change. They can change, right? Majority of the people, they are thinking that this political party's ideology is not correct, then I can change my political party. They can change. Are you getting my point? Understood? Right? So when one particular person wants to change the political party, then there is a problem. Then anti-defection law will come. Right? According to that one, you need to resign the political party, then you have to go, then you join, then you contest, then you win, then again you come to the. This is a procedure actually. This is a procedure. Got it? Is it clear? The point is clear. So what is happening that lack of internal democracy, dynastic succession, money and muscle power, lack of meaningful choices, these are happening. And these are the problems in the democratic. These are the problems of the political parties. Right? I hope you got a complete idea about the political parties. Right? What are political parties? What the work they do? She has written something. If law is unjust, a man is not only right to disobey it, he is obligated to do so. People should not be afraid of their government. Government should be afraid of their people. It is a good quotation, right? People should not be afraid of their government, and government should be afraid of their people. But here is opposite. When we go to the minister, we say, "Amma namaste, dandalu, dura." This is what. But in America, it is not going to be happen like that. People are well educated. They are fine. The constitution was amended to prevent elected members from